Hey, I love my roots. I love my beautiful roots. I love my people. I love my land. I love my ancestors. How about you? I'm proud of my heritage. I'm proud of my culture. And I'm proud of who I am. Coach Emin, worldwide. LTB Light, uh, Premier Coach, reaching you live. You are at the right place. Viewers all over the world reaching this very message today. It's not by accident that you're seeing us today. Maybe this is your first day of hearing my voice, but we've been here. This is the 324th day that Matt has been doing it in broad daylight. We're not like those that would prefer to hide in the dark, you know, and do what they know how to do best, to steal, to harm, to hurt, to destroy, to kill. We are out here in front view because we are proud of what we're doing. We enjoy what we're doing. We like what we're doing. Hey, what could be more of a blessing to any man than to push the wheels of civilization? That's like cooking a beautiful sweet pot of soup. You too will indulge in it. You too will eat in it. See, when you plant the wrong seeds on it, don't hope that you will not be a partaker in it. When you spoil the Nile, don't hope that you will not be a partaker to it. You see, there is one reason why we love this very message. We're going to use the New Testament to tell you that everything is broad daylight. What we are fighting against is not hidden at all. You see, the destroyer knows himself or herself. I'm talking about the ones that push the apparent hair, the true sons of the soil, the true sons of the sun. These are people that your own fathers welcomed into their chambers, into their lodge. Your own father adopted them. Unfortunately, you see, the sons don't even understand their fathers. They don't even know their roots again. They don't even you see they have gone through problems such that their mind has been jaundiced, their mind has been thwarted, their minds has been turned upside down. Now they can't even remember who their fathers are or what their fathers look like. But today, Matt is revealing it right in front of their. Hey, remain here. You are at the right place. Eta that brought you here knows why you are here today. For you to see exactly that the enemy, the destroyer that came with the plagues, vials of plagues, that intends to continue to pour the plagues on you, knows exactly what it did. You see, it's telling you that they invited your word, and it's proud that they invited your word while you are dancing, singing, clapping, and building the matrix and continue to build the matrix. But yesterday you had a church and a mosque where you confuse and fool yourself. But today you see this is an opportunity for you to choose reality between religion, to continue to be destroyed in darkness or to continue to be protected under the light, just as the destroyer is doing. You see, if you want to survive the tides, you have to do what the successful is doing. I'm going to show you exactly where they said to you that yes, we stole what your fathers made for you, kept for you, the treasures that they prepared for you. And I'm going to show you where they told you, hey, we are well protected because you rejected your own fathers and abandoned your own heritage. We're going to quote from the Old Testament and we're going to quote from the New Testament. Carefully watch right now. But before we do that, you see, we're going to do the needful. And the needful is to point you in the right direction. And that is follow the successful so that you'll be successful. Follow our hand, follow the staff, follow our finger. You see, where we are pointing right now will lead you. Begin to build wealth. Don't leave a legacy of poverty to your own children. Pass a legacy of riches, of wealth, good health, sound wealth to your own children. Download it. If you want to run away from depression, you have an opportunity to run away from it right now with our antidote. Okay? If you feel anxiety in your life, guilt, fear, ashamed, in any way you cannot be able to sleep, yes, the destroyer brought it. It's one of the plagues that the destroyer came with. Begin now to. Matt is here to open your inner eyes so that you can begin to rise above it. Very quickly, we are going to open. See what your ancestors were doing and what they wanted you to do. Did you see it very clearly with your eyes? Can you see the perfect pyramid? The great pyramid that you're supposed to be building? That is the Old Testament for us, okay? When you abandon your own father's house to the point where a stranger will not be the one who would be fixing it and making sure that it's not leaking. It's a shame on you, and you'll be continue to suffer the plagues. And you continue to be, very quickly, we have to guide your eyes to see where the destroyer is now laughing and telling you, hey, we came into your house, we destroyed it, and we took all your treasures. Are you building this very matrix right here without a head? What a madness. Did you see the hell that you're building with your own eyes, misleading your own people, distorting the minds of your own people because of the love for money and the love for honey? Did you see it? Did you see them well shielded and well protected, doing the right thing, building it? An edifice that serves the living, that protects the living for their own children, for their own generation, right here on top, shielded by the grace of the sun. Rah! Let Matt do the magic right now. Open your eyes to begin to do the right thing. Any force, any power that is saying that you cannot be able to return home when you have realized that you are the prodigal son, the rightful heir, the apparent heir to the throne, that very one shall be asleep as you now begin to return home. That very one will now remain blind as you begin to return home. Make your way back home and welcome in advance to begin to do the right thing on earth. As we sign out, Coach Amen. Peace be with you. Thank you.